Hey everyone, this is Sergio over here at Trimlight. Today I want to show you 2 ways on how to count your trim lights. This is the garage right here on the other side, right? So the controller is right here, and this is where the wire comes up. So this light right here is light number 1. And the first way I want to show you how to count your lights is what we're going to do is just put in a cool white and put in number 9 on the count, and then we're going to put 1 here, and then we're going to put a red in there. Get rid of this blue for now. So now what we can see here is that every red light that you see here is going to be 10 lights. All you got to do is go along the house, count how many red lights that you have, do the math. All right, so we're on the other side of the house, backyard here. This red light right here is 28, 29, and 30. So we got 30 red lights. 30 times the 10, 300. And then you have 6 extra at the end here. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 306 lights on this home. So it's as easy as that. That's one way, simple way. You can do it many different ways. And check the next video and I'll show you another way to count them as well.